A 3-step hack to a smudge-proof and long-lasting lipstick. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Use any lip balm before you start your makeup, and the first step to our hack is using a lip liner. Do not restrict yourself to just lining your lips, but use the lip liner all over the lips. इसके साथ आपका 3-step hack का step 1 होता है complete. Now coming to the second step, use any liquid lipstick over the base you've created with the lip liner. And अगर आप अपने client पे use कर रहे हैं तो use a lip brush that is more hygienic. Never layer up the liquid lipstick, just use a single layer and let it dry before you come to the third step. Finally apply a bullet lipstick. ये cream formula हो सकता है, matte formula हो सकता है, but this is the third step to the hack. We are done with the 3 steps, and this step is totally optional. If you want glossy lips, just dab a little gloss on the center of the lips, not all over the lips. I hope the video was helpful. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching.